Morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Just checking on my new bike, make sure how she's doing. I did a lot of driving yesterday. It just kind of rained on us the whole way, but I had to catch back up with where I left off south of Chester, Illinois. So here I am in Carbondale, Illinois to start back up on the Great River Road. Although I'm a little discouraged so far. Open year-round, sunrise to sunset. It's Saturday at 10 a.m. Closed for the season. This would have been a really neat park to go look around and share with you, but I even called the number and they're not answering the phone. But oh, check it out. There's dragons in there. That's pretty cool. And hobbits. It looks like a Dungeons and Dragons themed park. Especially with the castle over there. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I mean, it might just be like a kid's playground park, but still, I wanted to get in there and get some better video and pictures. I don't know what to tell you, Carbondale. Hey, buddy, are you ready to go? Nice day, huh? Lots of sunshine for the kitty. Yeah. All right, man. Hop down and get in your seat. You can't stay up on the dash the whole time. You crazy kitty, man. Oh. Can I have my hand back? No, you can't. Keep petting me. Ooh, he bites. Okay, man. Have that hand back? Well, just got here to Metropolis, Illinois, so I'm going to go take a walk around and see what Metropolis, Illinois has here. So there's some interesting history to Superman's hometown. Actually, in 1973, they were going to build a theme park here. Yeah, a $50 million theme park that was never built. And so instead, we get a statue of Superman there that you can pose next to. And across the street, apparently, even a Superman museum of sorts. We're going to go check it out, see if we can find a magnet, see what this town has to offer. But this is officially, unofficially, Superman's hometown of Metropolis, Illinois. And it's actually pretty cool. It's worth a stop in here. You can pose with your head in a Superman or Superwoman cutout there. Looking and flying up there off the building. Pretty cool. It says they're open. Oh my gosh, look in the window. There's a Superman leg lamp, guys. That is actually pretty cool. And it says there's a museum inside too. Okay. Although they've removed the telephone and just put in a cardboard one there. At least they have it there. And I flat out love the color. And most importantly of all, they're open. Wow. Lots and lots of comics.
Okay,
Oh man. Oh wait a minute.
I'll be there. You're fine.
Let's find out if we can go into the museum here. Look, there's another leg lamp. That's right, guys. I'm taking you with me into the Superman Museum. It's $5 to get in. That's a really old wood advertisement there. The original Superman, Kirk Allen. That's Kirk there. Is that Clark Kent? Wow. I'm not actually too familiar with the Superman TV series. I loved the Batman TV series, 70s. This place is crazy with Superman. Jeez, show some decency, lady. Check it out, Superman Pinball and 2 Superman arcade games. Oh, hey, you don't fit in here, dude. It's Doomsday. This is one monstrous Superman collection. Look at the wall back there, up the stairs. Jeez. Here's Lex Luthor's lab equipment. Man. I think part of the reason why I'm more of a Superman fan than Batman is the color. The reds, the blues, the vibrant colors. It's probably my favorite part. Look at all the cups and glasses. Some of these white ones, I believe, are from the 70s, actually. Superman costumes. They actually have the original Clark Kent's breakaway shirt, you know, that he was able to pull really quickly from the telephone booth to be able to turn into Superman. Well, look at all those Superman wallets. Oh, man. You could potentially spend hours in this place also. Oh, I want to touch it. That's the Superman phone. Better leave it alone. Huh. I don't know if I believe that wax sculpture of him. They've even got a little display of Smallville. Is that a cat Halloween costume? It looks like a kitty costume. Supergirl. Well, the museum was cool. I checked. They do not sell a single Superman leg lamp here at this gift store museum. They're all out. Probably because they're in high demand this time of year. Oh well. Gotta check it out for yourself if you're in the Metropolis, Illinois area, guys. That's pretty cool. So here's the magnet I went with. Metropolis, home of Superman. I like it. Hard to believe that this small little quaint town was almost home to a $50 million Superman theme park. Boy, things changed. Possibly looking for some food in the area too, some Superman food. Huh, okay. So the north end of town just kind of ends Metropolis, but there's one more statue I'm going to look at. See, they do have a nice Lois Lane statue here. Reporting? Yeah? I wonder if they even still have a newspaper in this town. Probably not. Cool, here's an old picture of what Metropolis may have looked like early 1900s. Huh. A little different. I'll just perform a little triple jaywalk here, because I finally found a restaurant. 718 Brew Cafe. Negative, not in Superman's hometown. Oh wow, business is closed due to low sales. Jeez. So, Superman's hometown of Metropolis has 14 antique stores, 7 workout gyms, but only 1 restaurant, and it's closed because of low sales. How in the heck do all those antique stores stay open and make any money if the only food restaurant doesn't make any money? Well, I'm back to the Superman statue. There is a Hardee's across the street from where I started, but I'm actually going to go south and keep walking, get some exercise, enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. Here, even at City Hall, although the leaves are covering a lot of it, Superman. Well, I smell food. I just don't know where it is. This Metropolis, no idea why this one's closed. Possibly the biggest attraction here in Metropolis is closed for the season. It's too sunny, it's too warm. Nobody would want to go in there. Oh well, you gotta hit these places up in June and July only. I'm getting really weak. Like, I can't walk anymore. I'm not sure what it is. I'll just take a seat on this nice green bench. Oh crap, I just sat on kryptonite. Well, I'm not gonna be able to make it back now. No, I smell good food, I do. Guess what? I finally found a restaurant in town locally that is open and making profit. Fat Ed's, famous for shrimp. I don't really want to do the shrimp. Let's go see what they got. This place is crazy busy. They got all the business from that other restaurant that's closed. Guess what I ordered? Really glad I found Fat Ed's restaurant there. That was a lot of fun. Good food, good people. They're in there watching college football, so that was fun. Let's get back to the RV and check in on Jax, though. All right, made it back. No tickets on the RV for parking. And where is Jax at? Oh, of course, he's still on the dash. Showing off. Dude, you ain't right. You ain't right. You ain't wrong either, but... Did you see Superman? He's right behind you. Superman's over there. Oh, I had a burger. Sorry. You smell it on me? Sorry, man. There's no kitties allowed in the museum or the restaurant. Well, careful, dude. Careful, man. How you doing? Yeah, where are we gonna camp today? Is there a state park nearby? Want me to go check it out? Alright, I'll see what I can find. Alright, how about Superman right there next to Popeye? Oh yeah! What do you think of those leaves? Are they crunchy? There's some crunchy leaves, huh? Yeah. Right, so I should probably admit that I'm a good 30, 40 miles away from the Mississippi River, the Great River Road. That's also because of two reasons. One, I kind of messed up when I introduced the Great River Road. I actually left out the state of Kentucky. Forgot to mention it at all. Even though it has a really tiny little section of the Great River Road, I didn't even mention it. Now, I wanted to come this far inland, obviously, to see the Superman stuff. But also, this gives me a chance on my next video on Wednesday to show a little more of Kentucky, possibly. Because I haven't spent a whole lot of time boondocking in Kentucky. Also, look at this cool state park. To walk over a little bridge here. No, that is not the Mississippi River, guys. Actually, I think on the other side of this state park here in this city is the Ohio River. And that will merge into the Mississippi River after Kentucky. But yeah, this is a pretty little park. So, what we'll do is, I'll catch you guys on Wednesday, and we'll dip into a new state. Or two. We'll see how it goes. Okay? So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the Superman stuff. And Jax and I will see you back on the road here on Wednesday. Bye, guys.